Hi and welcome to OnceHub videos. I am Deepak from the OnceHub team. In this quick video, I will show you how to generate and validate your API key in OnceHub to ensure it is working correctly. So validating your API key using Developer Center ensures your authentication setup is correct before integrating with external tools like N8N, Zapier or custom APIs. So let's jump in. Step first is generating API key. For that, log into your OnceHub account, click the gear icon in the top right corner and select Account Integrations. On the Account Integration page, select APIs and Webhooks. And under the API key, hit Create API Key. Give the name to your API key and hit Generate Key. When you click on Generate API Key, it will give you a key. I have already created one API key, so I'll be using that key for this demo. Tip: always use a fresh API key if you are troubleshooting authentication issue. Now let's validate the API key using OnceHub Developer Center. For this, you can click on the documentation for API keys and it will take you to our documentation. Here, scroll down and click on validation endpoint under the testing your API key. Now click on test request and paste the key that you have copied and hit send. Okay, you will see that this key is valid with 200 status code. That is a successful response. If you see an error like invalid API key or other error code, then please double check the key, ensure there are no extra spaces, or try generating a new key. So common mistakes to avoid: using the wrong endpoint, like testing outside the developer centers incorrectly, incorrect header format, it must be exactly the API key, expired or copied incorrectly API key. So please avoid these mistakes. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to generate an API key and validate it using the correct method. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.